Hi guys, this is the second video on Cayin MT-45MK3, also called Cayin MT-45MK3. In this video I'll be covering what's inside of this Cayin amplifier. However, at the beginning I wanted to cover one thing that I forgot in my very long video with the review of the amplifier. There's one more difference between Cayin MT-45 and MT-45MK3. The thing is that you can buy jazz with the silver or black front plate, and by default MT-45MK3 comes with the silver plate only. However, I've contacted nice folks at the Cayin store, and they told me that I can custom order the black plate and the black knobs, and I've done that. They are supposed to be ready by the end of June. I've paid for that something like $90, so you should see how dedicated I am to keeping this amplifier, because it'll be almost $100 for just the plate and knobs. I've ordered that. I'm supposed to be having that at the end of this month, so I'll replace that with the black front plate and black tubes. Now to the build and to what's inside. We have a bottom plate. The bottom plate is secured with 9 Phillips screws that are here, here, and here. I'll do a wide setting. Oh yeah, maybe that will be better. And we have some quite nice anti-vibration feet here. They are made of rubber and they are made of some kind of foam at the bottom. So the good thing is that they are quite nice, and even better thing is that if you want to, you can replace them with something better. Now let's look inside. You may find some photos of the Cayin Jazz 80 inside, taken by some reviewers in Germany, and one thing to notice is that even in the photos from Cayin Jazz 80, you'll have the PCB boards marked with MT-45MK3. So yes, these are exactly the same amplifiers. The difference is with remote. MT-45MK3 doesn't have remote, so it doesn't have motorized volume pot, and it doesn't have possibility to change the inputs with the remote. So from the back, the Bluetooth module is sealed unit. Everything is shielded inside. It's actually a great solution. This is the first amplifier, integrated amplifier or digital to analog converter that will have Bluetooth separated and shielded from the rest of the equipment that I've opened. Okay, we have two symmetrical designs. You can actually see that the left and the right sides are exactly the same, and the build is using really nice quality components. And we have real cap capacitors, we have Nichicon capacitors, the black ones, we have some Nichicon gold capacitors, we have these black Omron relays, we have good quality precision ceramic resistors with quite high power. And what I love about the design here is the fact that most of the connections is not made with PCB, but it's made with point-to-point soldering. The idea is that if you love tinkering with your devices, if you're somewhat into do-it-yourself, you'll be able, for example, to easily replace the caps here. You'll be able to desolder the wheel caps and to maybe replace them with something that will fit your music taste better. So good quality caps, quite a lot of components mounted not on PCB but with direct mounting. You can also, I don't know, replace the wires inside. If you feel like it, you can replace them, I don't know, with something solid, silver plated in Teflon coating, or maybe you prefer some PCOCC copper, you can do that as well. The PCBs, the few PCBs that are here, are connected to tubes with quite thick wiring. I don't know the brand, it's some local Chinese brand, but it looks solid. And I think that's it. All in all, I like the build quality here. Here we have one interesting thing. I think we have another board for powering, dedicated board for powering VU meters, so it's not interfering with powering the audio path. Here we have bottoms of the dedicated audio transformers. There are 3 transformers that are making this device so heavy, because it's almost 17 kilograms heavy. So okay, so one more pass with the details, slow pass, because maybe someday someone will need to take a look at the device at some particular place here. Okay. While I'm doing this, the front plate is secured by 4 Phillips screws. They are not very easily accessible, so it will be some work to unscrew them. But I'll be able to remove the pots, because pots are easily removable by unscrewing the screw inside there, and then you can just take it off. And after unscrewing this 4 Phillips screws, I'll be able to take the front plate out and replace it with the black one. So that's the idea. I love this build because you can easily change the caps. If you feel like changing speaker tabs, because I don't know, you have some absolutely amazing pure copper ones, or you just prefer, I don't know, WBT ones, you can just remove these and solder the new ones. It's quite an easy job. And all in all, I like the modularity, I like the quality of the components, I like the build inside. And that's it for this video. There will be another one in series when I'll show you how to replace the power tubes and how to manually set the bias for them. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and see you next time. Bye.